Qabristan is an issue. See, the Muslim community has been only taking promises. The Muslim community has been most patient and has not been demanding. Even when a new Qabristan came, there was opposition. There has been no clashes on account of the Muslim community. They have been most tolerant, and it is our duty of this government to give them what this community deserves. It's one of the longest pending demands of the community, and therefore a sign of neglect of this community by the previous governments. ना सोसड्याचो लँडाक लोकांचो ओपोजिशन आहा ताका मान दिवन आमी हो शिफ्ट करपाक केला. मुस्लिम कम्युनिटीक आमी कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतले. मुस्लिम इफ द कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट डज नॉट कम इमिजिएटली तो थोडे 10 दिसूच तर मेळ्ळे आमकां. After money is in our hand and the budget is passed, we will see that before Lok Sabha land is in our hand, we will give the work to the GSIDC, and before the next Republic Day, we will have this ready.
In principle,
cabinet and je kide jata, we are bound by a moral code not to discuss what happens in the cabinet. So I would not like to do this. I believe this cabinet has to take Goa forward. We may have differing views, but we will have to coexist and we will have to take Goa forward.
MGP चे काही लोकांनी ड्रॉप करचो म्हणून मागला कावडे.
MGP खूप मागतायत.
अशें जालें जाल्यार कितें
MGP मागता
सरकाराचेर कितें इम्पॅक्ट जातलो काय?
कांयच इम्पॅक्ट जायना कोणाचेर. सरकार स्ट्रॉंग आहा. इम्पॅक्ट जालो जाल्यार आमी आमचे कडेन वखद आहा सारकें करपाक. काँग्रेस आज मेरेन म्हणटा की नुस्त्या मार्केटान आमी एअरपोर्टा भशेन फेसिलिटी दवरल्या क्लीन करपाक. एक उतर बरें म्हणटा ते बॉयकॉट करता. शिवराक जाया मरे. खूब जाण आहा तांचे शिवराक. फूल जाया बरें मे बी हेल्दी. ऑर्गेनीक भाजी रोया आनी हें करा. कसले खबरे उलयता. बॉयकॉट जालें म्हणून कितें जग बंद जाता. डज द शो स्टॉप? शो गोज ऑन. लायफ गोज ऑन.
thank you very much.